up guys, my name is Ignacio, welcome to the NachoLab, and on today's video I will tell you why I decided to buy the floor mounted drill press 1100 watts from Timbecon. But before getting into that, maybe let's just understand how a variable speed works. It is as easy as putting a drill bit on the 16mm keyless chuck that it comes with it, release the emergency stop, choose a speed that you want to work with using the dial, and then go for it. As easy as that. Now, there is a technical bit there. If you think that you won't change ever again pulley, no, not a pulley, a belt, you're wrong, mate. Because it has a belt and a pulley, two pulleys, or maybe four, two on each side, which allows you to use the maximum torque on this drill press. Just in case you need to drill something below the 700 RPM, let's say mild steel, high carbon steel, or even stainless, or even stainless steel. With that being said, let's talk why I decided to buy this gun. I have three main hobbies: wood turning, welding, forge, and sometimes photography. I need a drill press that could handle any kind of material. The 1100 watt, I thought it was the best option for me. But that doesn't tell you why a variable speed instead of a pulley drill press. The main two reasons for that it is I don't want to get on all the hassle of changing belts, which is the best speed that you need to choose for it, because I don't have idea about that. And number two, and most important, I have a previous experience with a lathe that it has a variable speed. And I absolutely love it. This thing of being able to change the speed in the fly without any hassle of changing belts, of any stopping the machine and changing whatever I have to change to do the stuff that I'm working with. That's the main reason. There is one spec that I would like to talk about. It is that this drill, it comes with a light and also with a laser. I did this drill bit holder as a test, and I found out like I didn't measure too much, like because I was kind of rushing this stuff to get the footage, because I didn't know which drill I'm gonna use it. And then I realized that those lines were a little bit tight for the hole that I was doing. So on the fly, while I was drilling, I was using this laser thing to fix that error just by eye. like using one line as a guideline and then using the laser to freehand drilling this thing. You will need to adjust this laser depending on the thickness of your material. So if you need to do a repetitive task, definitely it's handy to have like some sort of center line to use as a guideline. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Timbecon's channel, to my channel as well. You will find all the links below. And something quite important on this video is with the code NachoLab, you will get a 10% discount on this drill press. And even so, you will get 5% discount on any product on the Timbecon's website. Check that out. Links below. Leave a comment if you have any question, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao! Well guys, thanks for watching. I hope this video helps. ¿Qué no me sale? On this drill press.